Gold H1 time frame, you have this trend line, a strong one, and last week it breakout and closing below trend line. But now you only have static support and resistance. Next big resistance 2364, and you can see 2330 is still big support level. First it breakout in vertical line, then multiple retest, then breakout and retest. So next trend for intraday trader still depend on 2330 level. If price goes below this level on retest, you can sell, but above this level you can expect intraday bullish, but confirmation will come after breakout of 2364. So you can say bearish below 2330, bullish above 2364. And for new entry, wait for breakout on retest, you can sell or buy. But this area near $2400 is big resistance zone. These things are not visible clear on H1 time frame, but H4 chart you can see big rejection from psychological level. So more time price stay below 2400 level, you can say counter trend correction have begun. And if price make new lower low without testing 2400, then that will be first big sign of technical reversal. So no chart pattern, only static support level 2330. If this level break out, then one by one you can expect all the support level from 2260 to 2200. Because now you can see all the inflation number, CPI, PPI, PCE, they all rising. Now Fed cannot ignore inflation. They already gave hawkish speech, and now you have hawkish PCE number. So price can retest big resistance 2364, but important thing will be this double top area near 2400 breakout or not. For more clarity, upside breakout or downside breakout, if you go from H4 to daily chart, then you can see RSI is now in the middle. So price is not overbought. And intraday you have many support, but daily chart no big support zone before 2200. So you have big reversal on Friday when they give advance warning before attack, then Fed hawkish speech, but you again confused why all the bar propaganda news. But last week first big red candlestick, this is big daily candlestick after so many time, and after this psychology is changing, and this is not new thing. Where price go, psychology go. When price was going down, they were saying 1600. Now price is going up, they were saying $3000. But one big red candlestick, big change in sentiment. But there was reaction to your Fed speech, and now you have clear economic indicator verifying second inflation wave. So top to bottom, all wave counting complete, and question is this will be sideways correction or zigzag. But this thing depends on Fed FOMC meeting this week. If you see that last week Sunday news, then that war news already priced in right at the bottom. That vertical blue candlestick came after their war spending on Ukraine and Israel war. So those things are already priced in, and market thinks same Trump and Biden. There is no difference, and they think Trump is more bullish. So two news came last week, very interesting. If Trump come again, then he will punish every country who are saying de-dollarization, dumping dollar, buying gold, and instead of Fed chair, president will control interest rate directly. So all of those things were already priced in. Now you have news and you have seen correction. That's why on new war spending news, people did FOMO buying after 6 months, and immediately on Monday they got big vertical red candlestick. Because you can forever talk about Russia and Ukraine war. If you see Fed FOMC meeting this week, then there will be no cut this week and no SEP, but in future higher for longer will turn into 3 cuts minimum when next SEP will come, but main focus again will be their QT tapering. They are saying this thing in every FOMC meeting, but they are not doing anything. For more clarity on Fed FOMC meeting, what are expectations and what can happen? If you go from daily to weekly chart, then right from this bottom, they lost 75 basis point rate hike to their first 25 basis point rate cut. After that first red candlestick, now weekly chart is less overbought compared to previous weeks. So this was your same author one mistake, but like Trump news article in Wall Street Journal, Fed independence is gone. If they repeat same to same, and after more than 50 years, everything changed economy and central bank policy style. Then exactly 2 years before election, they turned recession into economic boom and did not panic until inflation start rising again. That's mean sugar high economy. But last time they ignored inflation, same like they did in March month until election. And immediately after November 4 election, their tone change and instant rate hike. So investor will look for same thing in that FOMC speech. Fed will ignore PCE inflation again until election, then surprise rate hike, or same like that emergency FOMC meeting before that red candlestick, hawkish Fed is already happening. Because that thing, hawkish response to inflation either immediately after election or now after a strong PCE number. That thing will decide you will get sideways correction or counter trend zigzag correction. But your election politics have begun. But same like daily chart, your WXY wave almost complete, and before price retest 38% projection, you have 3 weekly candlesticks showing strong rejection. If you see monthly chart, all the news this week, FOMC, this is your biggest news, and a small one like JOLTS, service PMI number, always most important, and your Friday NFP. In a FOMC meeting, they can say anything, but real action will start after NFP on Friday. But by the time you will have new monthly candlestick, and question is where my month candlestick will close. It will retest 2400, or sideways correction have begun, or zigzag counter trend correction, that's mean retest of triple top. Retest of triple top completely depends on election politics. The hawkish Fed we saw before FOMC blackout, or it will come after November 4 election, because they cannot forever show unemployment rate less than 4%. Once it starts showing 4 or maybe higher than 4%, everything will change. And last week GDP and quarterly PCE number you saw, most famous word stagflation. In this FOMC meeting, everyone will see what they will choose, NFP or CPI, but they cannot control both things at the same time, and that choice will decide FOMO buying at 2400, same like China future market which is happening right now, or counter trend zigzag correction retest of triple top. This choice is same like either kill current president or new president come after election, kill that president entire tenure next 4 years. Or best option start a new war and blame this is the reason for inflation. And confuse everyone. Because maybe this week or next month, soon NAP will come weak. And by the time we reach to our next SEP, they will forecasting 3 rate cuts. So because of new monthly candlestick this week and big NAP news on Friday, monthly chart is most important. And for intraday scalper, if you watch H4, then focus only on these two support and resistance level 2330, 2364. Bullish above this resistance, bearish below this support level. But you will get breakout this week and clear answer. Same like that trend line breakout last week.